These are the things I always need carrying around in Mexico and how I organize them. Good morning. This is I just woke up, look. God bless all of you for being able to handle it. But the FedEx guy woke us up and I got what I've been waiting for. I'm gonna get me organized today in my handbags and I wanna show you because I don't know how other women don't carry handbags. I use everything I carry all the time. I use it. I'm not sure how they do it. I haven't figured it out. Amazon. So this is what I got.
2, 3, 4.
These are my 2 tote bags. One is for actually a laptop also, and this is the one that doesn't get dirty or wet inside. And these will be to keep things organized in those tote bags. In the tropics, there's so many things a person needs to carry, and especially if they do tech work. These are the kind they have here, and they're way too short. And so there's my after bite, a dental thing, some splash because we get sweaty and sticky and smelly, and a touch of perfume to clean my eyeglasses, and that's it. I can hardly close it. But this can be tech. It can be a battery pack, cables, earbuds, mask, gel, spray, which I'm hoping we won't be needing much longer, pencils, a tablet to write on, a pencil sharpener, little ones I carry, credit cards, debit cards, change, and peso cash. I like to have it organized in the bag, so I just grab the one I want. One of my favorite things is taking things out of my purse and then organize them in my purse. And Fred never can find anything because I'm always moving it and putting it in a better place, you know. Is that true, Fred?
Yes, that's true. It's just like, oh my goodness, just recently, I'm accustomed to having the keys for the car in the ATV up on this wall. She decided that she wanted to go to the other side. I'm accustomed to using that for a few years, so.
Life in Mexico, one day at a time. So this is made like Crocs, and I love it. It's all clean now, and it's called Love Clip, and the beauty shop across the street sells them. And I got it because, the filth doesn't go in. You can wipe it off and clean it. And I thought it would last maybe 2 months. And that was 2.5 years ago. So, and it stands up, see? Beside you, it stands up on the floor. It stands up and at the beach, and you just reach your hand in. But you need things to be organized to reach your hand in. So that's what we're going to do now. Notepad and pencils. I'll probably put business cards there too.
Yeah, that would be good, honey.
Yeah, they're in another thing. This is our circulation card for the ATV and business cards. And so here's our World Health preventative. And then we got bugs and we sweat and want to smell better, and then they bit us and we want them to stop itching, and then a little bit of lipstick and a tiny mirror. So, and then a charging battery pack.
That's a tech bag.
That's my tech bag. This is to charge it. This is to connect it to the phone. And then I'm going to put a little plug-in thing in there. I'll go find it. I have it in a certain little place. I just grab it real quick what I need, and I got them color code.
There you go, honey.
Amazon.com. And by the way, I stuck this little yucky brown case here. I'd had it for years, and it's just stuck here so that the phone
will fit in there.
Fits in there real quick, in and out, in and out. I used Velcro.
Yep.
That's my organized Cindy.
For today. Current update.
Coming. That's it. Be sure to subscribe to learn about life in Huatulco and to learn about retiring in Mexico also, because we do share 25 years experience with you. Do you need a virtual mailbox so you can take care of business and personal communication on a daily basis? Are you interested in expat or nomad insurance that's highly affordable? Click our links below. We'll be back soon.
Retired in Mexico!